365 letters.
Familiar place.
I wrote you every day for a year.
That is part of my
Still isn't over. I want all of you, forever, you and me, every day. Will you do something for me?
In that small cafe.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing Allie Hamilton's makeup, which is played by Rachel McAdams in the movie The Notebook. And I'm going to start off with this foundation right here, which is the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. I don't put too much, I just focus on the areas that need coverage and then build out. This is how you can get your coverage but still keep a natural complexion. So I want to keep my face very matte, so you'll see me using some powder in a little bit because in the 40s they had very matte faces, but Rachel McAdams was playing a 17-year-old, so you want to keep the face very natural looking. I don't really get sleep, so I needed to cover some discoloration, but I sheared it out a bit. I'm using this Better Skin concealer to hide my dark circles. Guys, you have no idea how bad I've been wanting to do this. I did a tutorial on my channel for Rachel McAdams in The Notebook like 5 years ago, and it's trash and terrible, and this is like my second favorite movie of all time, and I can't believe I haven't recreated it now with my like better editing and just a better camera. So I'm so glad that I'm doing this for you guys. It's taken so long and preparation to do, but I'm so glad that it's finally here. So now after I'm done powdering my face, I'm just taking this Almond Satin palette. I'm just taking the shiny and matte shadows there that are very neutral. I mix those two together because in the dancing scene, Rachel looked like she had a little bit of shimmer on her eyes. It was very, very natural. And I wanted to do this look because I noticed on YouTube everybody was doing the makeup look for her when she was with her fiance, when she's dancing with him. So I wanted to do something different, and everyone was doing the red lips and everything, but most of the time she's not wearing that look. That's when she was older, so I'm definitely focusing on her youthful look. So then I went into the Modern Renaissance palette and I took Golden Ochre just for a little bit of definition in the crease, very subtle and very natural. You see her wearing this natural look throughout the first half of the movie, and then the second half when she's more mature, you see her makeup play up a bit. So after I'm done doing that, I just pat in a little bit of that beige eyeshadow again, and then I'm taking this taupey color right here, and I'm using that as eyeliner just to emphasize the line above my eye because her makeup was natural, but you can tell that they added a little bit of shadow right there. I looked at her picture a bunch of times. I watched this movie like a lot before I filmed it, and I paused a lot of the times. I mean, I can watch this movie all the time. I love it so much, but yeah, so then I'm taking this dried out liquid eyeliner and I'm just going over that brown just a little bit because I felt like we lost the color, and this is just going to keep your makeup on all day, but make sure that you go with a very light hand. So then I'm taking this mascara right here, and it's a little dried out as well, and as you can see I'm just running it underneath my lashes, so I'm not really giving my lashes length, just a little bit of volume because like I said, it was very natural in the movie. So once I'm done adding a little bit of that mascara, I'm taking this Too Faced palette and I'm taking this color right here, and it's called Très Fab, I believe, and I'm going to give myself those blushing rosy cheeks. Now when she's dancing with Noah in the street, she's cold obviously because I think it was cold outside. They're wearing sweaters and you could see the breath in the air, so I made sure to put a lot of blush on my nose. Plus she was blushing because she realizes that she kind of have feelings for Noah, right? So this is what I'm doing. In the 40s, they were very heavy-handed with blush. So now once I'm done with the blush, I'm just going to take my setting spray and set my face so this makeup can last all night. So now I'm just taking this color called Half Red by MAC, and it's a lip liner. and I felt like her lips were a very natural color, so I'm going to use this lip liner here to line my lips. And once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to pat it in a bit, but I felt like this lipstick was a little too burgundy, so then I went with Whipped Caviar by NYX, and I just kind of went over it as well. This is kind of a cheap alternative version to that MAC lip liner. And so I just pat that lip liner in as well. And as you can see, it shears out and it's very natural looking. I love this lip. And then I take a little bit of powder and go over it just to make it a little bit more natural. So there is the natural makeup that Allie wore throughout the movie. And I'm going to show you how I got this really cute hair. And she had this hairstyle a while, but this is more in the dancing scene as well. So you can go off of this. I'm just taking this small barreled wand, combing my hair. It was a little wavy from the day, but as you can see, I have medium to long hair. Well, it's not long, but you can say it's longer than most medium hair. So I'm just taking the top parts of my hair and grabbing like an inch or over an inch section and spraying that with hairspray. I'm going to make sure that I tease that out because she has a lot of volume in her hair. You know, before this I was going to cut long layers in my hair to make sure that I was able to have shorter pieces, but I never had the opportunity. So I'm going to show you how I fake short hair. It's been all over YouTube, so it's no secret. But anyways, I'm just taking my small barreled wand and I'm alternating between wrapping my hair over the barrel and then just taking the barrel and clamping it inward. So this will give you kind of like a more voluminous look. If you clamp the hair through the whole entire head, it's going to give you these really spiral ringlets, versus if you do it this way, which I'm showing you right here, which you wrap it around the barrel, it's going to give you looser ringlets, so like little waves, and the other ones are very spiraled and they'll just go into each other, and that'll give you more of a very 1920s look. And we're going for the 40s, so it is a little confusing, but I am demonstrating for you. As you can tell, you can use a straightener for this look, but this is definitely more authentic to the 40s. They used barrels like this, and they didn't have straighteners then. At least I didn't think so. I know my grandma said she didn't know what a straightener was for the longest time. So yeah, she definitely had like that Allie hair look. Like, I wish I could insert a picture, but I don't want to do that without her permission. But she had the cute hair, and her hair is naturally red, so I just thought that was adorable. But yeah, I was looking back at my channel, and I loved a lot of the videos that I did back then, but they were so low quality that I would definitely want to refilm. So this was one of them. So as you can tell, the whole head is curled. So I'm just going to comb out those hair once the hair is cooled. I couldn't talk there for a second. So as you can see, I just pull my hair up, and since it's so curly, you're not going to be able to tell that I just pulled it up to make it shorter. And same for the other side, you just put the curls into each other and then curl it up, use a bobby pin, and then that's how you get that shorter look. Now this only works with short hair or curved in hair. Not short hair, I mean, with curled hair, sorry. So either really curly hair, and that's how you get the Allie inspired hairstyle. Now moving on to the outfits. These are inspired. These are not identical. I found these outfits all on Shein. This is not paid sponsorship. I bought all of these outfits with my own money. I personally love Shein side. All of their outfits are affordable, and I was able to find dupes to her looks on here. This outfit was only 16 bucks, and I felt like it looked really similar to the green dress Allie was wearing when Noah was trying to get her to go on a date. This is very vintage looking, super affordable. You can definitely find the actual replica of the dresses through other websites, but you're going to be spending a lot of money, like around $200, plus it will take over 100 days to ship to you. I've done my research. I just thought it would be better to stay on the budget for you guys. And like I said, all of these outfits will be from Shein side. I love this website. I've been shopping on it for years, so I trust it. I get it if you don't, but I was just leaving some dupes for you guys. Like I said, this is not sponsored. So this is the next outfit right here. I was super proud of how this turned out. I thought it looked just like hers. You could definitely wear this as a costume. I see a lot of cute Halloween couples doing this, and I just absolutely love it. But this dress is actually sold out on Shein, so I'm showing you guys what you could do if you do want to shop on Shein, since this is only $16 just to steal. I just typed in black floral dress, and then I know this one's sold out, but look at all the styles that they have. They have a lot of dresses that look just like it. As long as you have a black floral dress with a red sweater, you're definitely going to get Allie's look, and everybody is going to know what you're doing. So this dress right here, I felt like it looked like her style, and it's only $10. Put it with a red jacket or sweater, and you're going to get that dancing scene look. I also put a belt around the waist because that's what she had going on. I just love this dress. I actually wore this to class, and I go to public university, and people were complimenting me left and right. Everybody loved the dress. It's just a very cute dress. So that was the second outfit. I definitely got my boyfriend to play the part of Noah. He had a beard going on and everything, but I was really grateful that he went along with this. So now the final dress. Now this one doesn't look as much like the outfit, but I got to as close as I possibly can. With the buttons, this has a nostalgic 1940s type of look. You can definitely tell, and I found this one on Shein as well for $15. Looks a lot like hers, not identical, but if you put a white belt around it and add a pearl necklace, it's going to look like that. I did have a pearl necklace on, but I was going for the more relaxed look when her mom catches her at Noah's house instead of the done up look. So I thought this dress looked very similar. You're shopping on a budget. If you love her outfits in that movie, I really recommend going onto these websites because you will find dupes. You don't need to go and buy the actual dress because, like I said, they're over $200. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Notebook take on... that sounded weird. The take on the Notebook. I absolutely love this movie. It's one of my favorite movies of all time, and I could not wait to recreate her look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. I love you. Bye.